Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 5.1 question number 4. Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question 3 and answer the following questions. Here we have made the histogram, that is for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3, and the question is, these are the questions. Here if you study this frequency table, this histogram, we find that number 1, which group has the maximum number of workers? Number 1 you see here, with observation of this histogram, you see this group. The group we have not written, that is the group is like 800 to 810, that is 800. This group is 800 to 810. 800, 800. This is 800. This is 800. 800 to 810. 810. 810 to 820. 820. This is 830. This is 840. 850. This is 860. 870. 880. 890 and 900. Right? Now the question is, which group has the maximum number of workers? With this histogram you see this group 830 to 840, then this has 9 workers. It is the number of workers. Here it is the number of workers. Number of workers. This is the number of workers. Now the question, which group has the maximum number of workers? There is 830 to 840. 830 to 840 is the group which has the maximum number of workers. The answer is 830. This group. You see, this is maximum worker, that is 9 workers, right? That is 830 to 840. 840 is the group. Group is the group which has the maximum number, which has the maximum number, which has the maximum number of workers. The maximum number of workers. Maximum number of workers. Number 2. Number 2 is, the question is, how many workers earn 850 and more? Here see 850 is this group, right? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group. 5 group earn more than 850 rupees, right? That is, this is that means how many workers earn 850 and more? I mean this group, right? This group 850. The groups 850 to 860, 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 860 to 870, 870, 870 to 880, and 880, 80 to 890, and 890, 890 to 900, 900. These groups earn rupees 850 and more, 850 and more, and more. Therefore, the total number of workers will be total number of workers, total number of workers is equal to you see, this group is 1 plus this group is 3 plus this group is 1 plus this group is also 1 plus this group is 4. That means the total number of workers is 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 4, that is 10 workers. That means you can say that 10 workers will earn more than rupees 850 and more. Question number 3 is question number 3. What is the question number 3? The question number 3 is how many workers earn less than 850? Less than 850 rupees. 850. That means this group, this group, this group, this group, and this group earn less than 850. That means the groups 800 to 810, 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, and 840 to 850, 50 earn less than 850, are earn less than 850. Therefore, total number of workers, total number of workers is equal to, this group is 3 plus this group is 2, 3 plus 2 plus this group is 1 plus this group is 9 plus this group is 5. The total number is 9 plus 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. That means 20 workers. That means 20 workers. Right? Here is the answer. This is the number of workers and this is the wages, weekly wages in rupees. Weekly wages in rupees. This is the weekly wages in rupees. This is weekly wages in rupees. This is weekly wages. Weekly. This is weekly wages in rupees. Weekly wages. Wages in rupees, right? Which group has the maximum number of workers? You see this group, right? That is 830 to 840 is the group which has the maximum number of workers. How many workers on 850 and more? That is this group, 850 and more. That means this one, and this one, right? That is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. That is 10 workers. And how many workers are less than 850? That means this and this group 1 2 3 4 5. That is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. That is 20, right? First of all, we draw these histograms. This is right. This is number of workers, and this is weekly wages in rupees on the right side. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.